Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm gonna hop right into this video. I did not put my intro in this video. I'm actually sick of my current intro. I don't know, maybe it's just getting old to me. If any of you guys make intros, comment down below and we can see what's up, because I definitely need a new intro. So if you follow me on social media, you may have seen I just had some braids in. So this is the day after I took my braids out and my hair was super dry and a hot mess. So it's time to detangle and wash and shampoo. Well, that is washing and condition and deep condition this hair. So first I'm going to start by spraying my hair with just some plain old water, because hair is way more resilient when it's wet. If you brush hair or detangle hair while it's dry, it'll only break off. So I'm going to spray it and then hit it with some of my PUREMAJIK Natural Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil Blend. And this oil right here, guys, is everything you need. I promise you, you're going to love this oil, and it smells so amazing. I love this oil because it's a super lightweight oil, and it's a blend of 7 organic, pure, natural oils. It doesn't get any better than that. One of those oils including grapeseed oil and rosemary, which I've been loving so much lately. But this oil just helps so much with moisturizing my hair and helping me detangle. So I'm just taking my hair in sections, as you can see, and just oiling my scalp and oiling the lengths of my hair. And that way it just helps this detangling process way more without me breaking too much of my hair off. So I'm just repeating that process all throughout my hair. Okay guys, so now that we're finished detangling, let's go ahead and get his hair a good wash. And it's been almost a full month since I washed my hair. I had those braids in for about 3.5 weeks, pushing a full month. And I love to wash my hair once a week. That always has worked for me. I get a lot of product buildup, especially from my edge control. So washing my hair once a week is just what I prefer to do. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Sauve Almond and Shea Butter Conditioning Shampoo. And I am completely obsessed with this shampoo and the conditioner. I know people love to sleep on Sauve products, but Sauve been stepping their game up lately, y'all. Like, their products are so bomb. Like, look at how that shampoo just suds up, and I really didn't even use a lot. And I love that for me because I only apply shampoo onto my scalp. I like to make it sud up a little bit first and then push it down the lengths of my hair, so that way I'm not just adding more shampoo. Shampoo is a cleaning agent, so a little goes a long way with shampoo. You just gotta suds it up, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that shampoo out, and I'm scrubbing my scalp simultaneously as I'm rinsing. That way I'm making sure that any old product is being lifted off my scalp. So now I'm gonna take the Sauve Almond and Shea Butter Moisturizing Conditioner and use a million pumps and go ahead and apply that to my hair, my scalp area, the lengths of my hair. And I wanna make sure that this conditioner is thoroughly raked through my hair and that all my hair is being conditioned. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my little brush and just distribute all of that product throughout my hair. So now I'm just continue to brush my hair. I just feel the difference already. My hair was so much more softer and it looks way better. You can see the immediate difference. This shampoo and conditioner is really bomb, you guys. And this is not a paid promotion at all. I buy Sauve products with my own money, and I've been using their products for years. I really love their products. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse out that conditioner. And you want to make sure that your conditioner is thoroughly rinsed out. You do not want that left over in your hair. I remember I used to leave conditioner in my hair on purpose. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. So my hair is freshly washed and conditioned, and it smells so good, you guys. Like, that shampoo conditioner is But anyways, I'm going to go in with this Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. And if you've been following my channel for a while, you guys already know I love this hair mask. I love Shea Moisture products, period. But specifically, the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil collection is like Chef's kiss. I literally love it. So now, as I do always, I put my hair into sections and I'm just applying this deep conditioner all throughout my hair. I wasn't gonna deep condition my hair because I'm like, that's just one more step that I gotta add to this video. And if you guys record videos, you know how lengthy of a process this could be. But my hair needed it. I had braids for weeks. Like, I really needed a good wash and a good deep condition. So now that I went ahead and deep conditioned all those sections of my hair and twisted it up, I'm just putting it in one bun, and not too tight of a bun. And I'm gonna let that sit on my hair for a few hours. I'm just gonna take this shower cap, which was way too big, so I just went ahead and tied it in a knot in the front, and take my scarf and lock that in just to ensure that the heat from my scalp is locked in, and put my bonnet on. And I'm gonna just leave that on for a couple hours, guys, and just do what I gotta do. So I kept the deep conditioner on for about 2 to 3 hours while I cleaned my house, and I love to keep a deep conditioner on when I do physical movement, like go to the gym or cleaning up, because it just increases that heat flow to your hair, which helps the deep conditioner penetrate the hair way better. So now I'm going to take this Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse 2-in-1 styler, and you guys know I already love this mousse. This is actually one of my favorite mousse to use. Most curly mousses make your hair look crinkly, crunchy, makes your hair feel crunchy and hard, or it just simply weighs the hair down or super oily. This mousse is literally none of that. My hair still turns out to be very soft, very fluffy, very big, and it smells so good. And it's infused with nettle, which is bomb. My PUREMAJIK Naturals hair oil also has nettle in it, and nettle serves many benefits to the hair. Like, I absolutely love it. And I love this mousse also because, like it says, it is a 2-in-1 styler. Like, you literally do not need any other product when you use this mousse. Like, it will moisturize your hair, make it feel soft, give it the shine, give it everything you need, and you do not need anything else. But of course, I'm going to use the oil because my hair gets dry so quick. So I'm going to take my PUREMAJIK Natural Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil Blend, of course, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that all to my scalp, to my edges, because those braids were literally pulling my edges. Like, I do not like that. That's actually the main reason I ended up taking the braids out, because they could have stayed in a little longer. But the last thing I need is my edges to be gone. And this oil just smells so good. So I'm just applying it all to my hair, all to the top of my hair, because I tend to have a lot of frizz, and this oil is great to reduce frizz. And now I'm going to do some little finger curls all throughout my hair. I could just do my natural curl pattern, but I want a bomb wash and go. It's been almost a month. I want my curls to be popping for the next few days until it's time for me to go ahead and style it again or wash it again. I don't like to comb my hair too much at nighttime. I like to just put it up in like a pineapple bun, because less manipulation means less breakage. So the less you touch your hair, the less breakage you have. So it's been some hours. I went ahead and let my hair dry and did my makeup. So now I'm just making sure my curls are broken apart, trying to create a little more fluff and volume to my hair. So of course, you know, I got to go in with some edge control, and this is actually my upcoming PUREMAJIK Naturals edge control. I've just been trying to create the perfect formula for everyone. I want this edge control to be able to work on all hair types. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this pick by Pattern, and I just absolutely love this pick. I actually love all of Pattern's hair utensils. Like, it's bomb. So I'm just picking my hair out, just creating a little more volume on my scalp, and trying to break my curls apart a little bit more. You know, I like to do the upside down method. This also helps with creating more volume, so your curls aren't just all stuck together. So I'm just going to keep repeating that process until I have a nice little curly fro going on. And as you can see, I have chunks of curls just stuck together. So I'm just going to go ahead and break that right apart. And yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and check the description box down below for where you can purchase my PUREMAJIK Naturals hair oil. I know you guys are gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching.